Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about the company which is going to be Thryve Digital started their hiring for 2022 batch. All branches can apply. So watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me. Why I'm just mentioning you to watch the video till end. I'm just giving a few hints about the resume update and skill set. So before going to just subscribe and like my channel. And let's go to the page. This is what they from Thryve Digital started their hiring for. Any graduate BTech from 2022 batch. This is what their job profile summary. Job location they mentioned Chennai, Hyderabad. Work from office, salary value 2.0 LPA, and permanent from the jobs. You are going to work in both shifters, non-domain shifters and US calls center shifters. And the eligible criteria for graduation will be any graduate should apply. Pursuing planning to for an higher study should not apply apart from the year of graduation 2022. And the essential skills, you should have basic communication skill and orientation skill, and the flow of registration, online registration, online assessment, 2-round HR and onboarding. Please note the main regarding test. After registration, you will direct to another page to take the assessment. So after you filled out, you are going to start writing the exam directly. So be ready for to write the exam, which location, date, night, shift nights, what is the expected CTC, everything they are asking here. So after finishing your application, directly you are going to write the exam. So be prepared while applying. If you are ready for exam, you can start apply and start write the exam. So if you have any doubt, comment me. If your friend looking for a good IT job, share this video to them. Thanks for watching.